The other type of work plane that you can create is a mid-plane. This can be done between two work planes or two faces, or a work plane and a face. In this scenario, I'm going to choose the face of the partition and the inside face of the case. I now have this work plane, and whatever I do with the case size or the partition positioning here, this work plane will always stay central across this area. So I could then, for example, place a partition. I'm going to set the height. You can watch our other videos on partition creation. This partition is right down the middle of this work plane. So now that partition will stay central across this area here, regardless of what the case size does.